Before tackling this top, we're going to have to remove the rack from the top. And with that, you just simply need a flat blade screwdriver and a piece of rag or a shop towel. And you want to work from the outer end, because this part here, right here, right, tucks underneath the other portion. So you want to pop this end up and then pull it out. So you're going to do that by placing the rag on your paint to protect it and the screwdriver under this edge and popping it. All right, with that up, the rag fell, but I'm in safe territory right now. You can slide this out. Okay, and the screws are exposed. Okay, to remove the screw, all you need is a 12mm socket and a ratchet. You can work these off. Okay, once you've done this, you can go and pop the other ones up front and the others on the other side and do the same. Then the whole rack can be lifted up. When prying these, make sure you pry from the side, like right here, okay? And not from the front. Okay, it comes out more easily if you pop it on the side. So we're gonna do that and then work it along. It pops out. Once it pops up like that, you can pretty much stick it out by hand, not quite. This is a little difficult because I'm trying to do it all with one hand and film with the other hand. So you pop this side out, then you go in and lift it out from the inside and it should come out.